Hello there, and welcome to my real estate video blog. I am so happy that you are here and checking things out. I want to let you know what's happening in the real estate market today amongst the COVID-19 pandemic, and let's kind of separate fact from fiction. Hello there, welcome back everybody, and thanks so much for being here. I'm just going to share with you a couple articles that have been shared with me. One of them is from JP Morgan Chase Bank, and what it says is that they are looking to possibly stave off any future foreclosures and protect themselves by changing their mortgage loan guidelines. For example, requiring 20% down. And in this article, and I can reference it in the comments below, but in this article, they said that they had checked and what is the average down payment for Americans is 10% down. That's on average when you consider everything. So they're going to require 20% down, which would shrink the buyer pool should they do that. And then also they claim to require a 700 plus FICO score. So that's a considerably high FICO score. Now, for those of you out there that have 800 FICO scores, I get it, you're awesome. But those of you that don't, the 700 FICO score, that's a high one, and that can hurt and shrink, again, the buyer pool as well. And so I just want you guys to know that not all banks are doing this. This is not a guideline, a Fannie Mae Freddie Mac guideline, at least not yet. And I want you to understand that that is just something that has been proposed. I don't think they've actually implemented it yet either. So super important. You're going to start seeing a flood of information from all sorts of different areas. And I think they're going to lend themselves to everything is doom and gloom. And I just want you to know that on my team alone, and we're not a really large team, we have 4 agents on this team, a transaction coordinator and a client care coordinator. Just this last week, in the last 7 days, we put 3 properties under contract. So that's awesome. And we would have done that in any market. So I just want you guys to know and realize that it isn't all doom and gloom, and homes are still selling and buyers are still getting financing. The jumbo loan is a tough one right now, so that one is tough. But I did get a lender say they can still do it. So again, you guys, if you need and want the facts, don't believe in all the articles you get, give us a call. We'll get you to the right person so that we can get the right answer for your situation. Now, there was one other thing that I had seen from a lender, and it was basically, this lender's great, and he's just basically telling people, and I want to pass the word for you not to take the bait. So if your lender for your mortgage on your home is offering you a forbearance, so they are saying, we can offer you a forbearance and you don't have to make these payments for a few months, don't take the bait. Forbearance does not mean forgiveness. And as a matter of fact, they still will put the fees, the late fees, etc. on top of your current principal balance. So don't take the bait. If you can pay your mortgage, pay your mortgage. Super important. And second of all, if you do take the forbearance down the road, that can haunt you on your credit score. So regardless, I understand we're in this crazy environment. And there are a lot of forgiveness and a lot of things that are really great. Our government giving the checks, the stimulus checks. I mean, this stuff is amazing, but not all companies are doing it out of the goodness of their heart and willing to take a cut. So really be cautious in anything you're getting. Another one that I saw was a insurance company, two different insurance companies that are giving a discount because we're not on car insurance, because we're not all driving. So look into that. Make sure it's a true forgiveness and you're not going to get dinged when this is all over. So just something to share with you guys. Please give me a call if you want some real, get in front of the right people to get the right information. We are here for you and we want to be here for you and we want to help you any way we can as we're all working through what it means to be quarantined, how we're handling it. But there are people still looking at homes. We are still able to do that here in Arizona. We are still able to show homes, write offers, and sell homes and close homes. Appraisers can still do their job. Inspectors can still do their job. We can still record the deed at the end of the transaction. We are moving business forward, and I am so happy and proud to be called an essential business because we are, and we're helping folks every day through this, and happy to do so. So give us a call if there's anything that we can do for you. Take care. Bye-bye.